Hi guys, this is Cherry and welcome to our channel. So for this video, we're going to discuss about the type of conic section, which is the circle. If you think this video will help you understand the circle more, please stay tuned and let's proceed to the video. This video is about type of conic section, which is circle. First, what is circle? It is a special case of ellipse where the plane is perpendicular to the axis of the cone. It is also the locus of points equidistant from a given point, known as the center. Circle, like the other conic sections, has a standard and general equation. And the standard equation, or the standard form of the circle, there is for whose the center is at the point hk and where the radius is greater than 0, is represented by the equation of the quantity of x minus h squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared is equals to r squared. There's also for whose center is at the origin and where r is also greater than 0 is represented by the equation of x squared plus y squared is equals r squared. This equation represents the general form of the circle. The a and the b is equal and greater than 0. By having this general form of the circle, we can determine what the center is. For the h, the negative of d must be divided by 2. And also for the k, the negative of e must be divided by 2. This time we will going to identify an equation of a circle. The first equation is x squared plus y squared equals 25. This equation is a circle with the center at the origin and the radius of 5, which is the square root of 25. The second equation is x squared plus the quantity of y minus 9 squared equals 64. This equation is also a circle with the center at the point 0, 3 and a radius of 8. The next equation is x squared plus y squared plus 16 equals 0. This equation is not a circle because when you move the 16 to the other side, it will become negative, and no radius is a negative, so this equation is not a circle. The last one is 5x squared plus 5y squared minus 4 equals 0. So the negative 4 there, when you move it to the other side, will become positive. That will give us a radius of 2. And the both a and b is equal. So this equation is a circle. How to transform general form to standard form. So we have a sample here, x squared plus y squared minus 6x equals 7. So the first thing we must do is to combine the like terms, and those are x squared and negative 6. So after that, we must complete the square by dividing negative 6 by 2 and square it after, and that would be 9. Since we add 9 here on the left side, we must also add 9 to the right side. After that, we must factor. So its factor is the quantity of x minus 3 squared, and as you can see, we just copy the y squared then and we must add the 7 and 9, so that will be 16. So this will be our standard form. So we can now determine our radius and our center. So our center is at the point 3, 0, and our radius is 4, the square root of 16. So we have another example. So x squared plus y squared minus 14x plus 2y equals negative 14. As we did here, we must also combine like terms. So x squared minus 14x and y squared plus 2y. You just copy the add sign and copy their signs. So just say this negative 14 here, and after that we must complete the square. How do we complete the square? So negative 14 divided by 2, that would be negative 7, and square it, that would be 49. In the case of the y, so 2 divided by 2 is 1, and square it, that would be 1. Since we add 49 and 1 here, we must also add 49 and 1 at the other side. After that, we must factor both. So the factor of this one is x, or quantity of x minus 7 squared, plus the factor of this one is the quantity of y plus 1 squared. Since this one are all constant and they are all like terms, so we must combine them. So 49 plus 1 is 50, minus 14, that would be 36. So we have now our standard form. So our center would be positive 7 and negative 1, and our radius, which is the square root of 36, that would be 6. How to transform the standard form to general form. We have a sample, the quantity of x plus 2 squared plus the quantity of y minus 3 squared is equals to 4. From here, we can determine our center and our radius. Our center would be negative 2 and positive 3, and our radius would be 2 since the square root of 4 is 2. So after this, we must expand the square of binomial. First is square the first term, that would be x squared, and then 2 times x, that would be 4x, and times 2 again, that would be positive 4x, and then lastly we must square the last term, and then again copy the plus sign and do it again what we did in here. So square the first term, that will be y squared, and negative 3 times y, that will be negative 3y, and times 2, that would be negative 6y, and square the last term, that would be 9. Just copy the 4 on the other side. And so after that, we will transfer the 4 to the left side. And after that, we rearrange it into the general form. The last term would be must, or must be, a constant. So combine like terms, that would be 4 and 4. So positive 4 and negative 4, that would be 0. So 9 will remain. So our general form is x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 6y plus 9 equals 0. We have also another example, that would be the quantity of x minus 5 squared plus the quantity of y minus 6 squared equals 100. We will do what we did on the last one, or the previous one. So our center is at the point 5, 6, and our radius is the square root of 100, which is 10. So let us expand the binomial. That would be x squared minus 10x plus 25. Since the sign in the binomial is subtraction or negative, then the middle term would be negative. Just copy the plus sign and then square the first term, y squared, and then negative 6 times y, negative 6y, and then multiply 2. That will be negative 12y. And then square the last term. That would be 6. Just copy the 100. And after that, must transfer the 100 to the other side. And we must rearrange it to a my general form. That would be the x squared plus y squared minus 10x minus 12y plus 25. This 25 plus 36 minus 100. After that, combine the like terms. So 25 plus 36, that would be 61. And 61 minus 100, that will be negative 39. So this will be our general form, which is x squared plus y squared minus 10x minus 12 minus 39 equals 0.
Thank you for watching. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.